How's it going? What is up? Welcome to another DLTalk. Welcome BTC community, XRP community, Ethereum community, Polkadot community, ADA community, Luna community, Solana community, DLT community, crypto community, cake community, COTI community, Hydro community, all the communities out there. Welcome to another DLTalk, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for smashing the likes on the way in. We got, who do we got in the chat here? We got XRP. What's up, man? Are you ready for the catastrophe? Hey, man, yeah, we've been talking about that, right? Like I said, I feel like I was maybe a week or two ahead on the hunch, but I think all of us started to know, man, this is a really good thing that's going, and it's not really being reflected outside of the markets here. But the adoption rate is exponential, but it's going to be interesting to see if we start going towards the downside for at least maybe a month, possibly. J-Roy believing it's a little bit of a fake out, you know, make you think that we're on the bear trend, and then next thing you know, it pops off again. You know, some people are speculating we're going to go to get on the verge of, or touch $2 trillion in the total market cap, and then that's when we're going to see an eventual so-called collapse, but just really high volatility, you know, speculation and what's it called, bearishness from there. RPM, dude, you're the legend, man. How you doing, man? Welcome to the channel. I know, man. How are you doing with your XDC, bro? And by the way, I want to shout out the people who did donate to me some XDC, like the RPMs out there. I think it was Legendary or somebody else who donated to me some XDC, and I appreciate that as well, man. Because even that little bit that you guys donated on top of the bags that I already had, like, it's just awesome, man. Just shout out to the Blue Crew. Thank you guys for your support. Thanks so much for just opening my mind about a bunch of other cryptos as well. Obviously, XDC, you know, we like its ISO 20022 capability. We like that it's a hybrid blockchain. We like that it's working with a lot of institutions and looking to work with regulators. XDC, definitely a sleeper. Who knows, maybe in this bull run, it does pull what XRP did in 2017, where it goes to, let's say, a $3 XDC, which would be absurd, right? And of course, when I say that, people are thinking that's going to happen sooner, but really this is a long-term point of view on what XDC could be. Perhaps maybe at the end of the year, XDC is at $3. I'm not going to put anything aside because 2021's already been unbelievable as is, and we can see the type of crazy numbers that cryptos can get. For example, like the Solanas, right, with like a million% gains. Lady Enigma, we're so close to 2K. We were Last I checked, we were about 8 subs away from 2K. We might have hit it already, but yeah, man, this is probably going to be the 2K stream. So just cheers to cheers to the Blue Crew. Cheers to all of y'all. Guys, 15 viewers, 15 likes. You guys are already mass adopting the channel. I appreciate you guys so much, man. Much love to the Blue Crew. Always good times hanging out with y'all. So guys, let me give you a preview of some of the news we got for today. Some bags later in a little bit as well. We'll be playing some XRP bags. Oh, speaking of XRP bags, man, right when he jumps in, talking about XRP bags. Yeah, we'll be shout out to his channel. Awesome content. His newest music, it's just off the chain, man. He's getting better and better, and that's already unbelievable. So many great hits, so many great, just great content all around. Even like instructional videos. The guy is basically crypto incarnate. He's a crypto bull incarnate, without a doubt. And Lady E killing it, and she has a channel too. What a dynamic duo. Yeah, send it to 2K. Why not, man? Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a pro trader. I'll never tell you guys what to do. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for hitting those likes on the way in. We're just getting started here. So, we got a post here on Twitter speculating about XRP and SEC, maybe around August, what that looks like on the charts. We got Wall Street opens at record highs after long weekend. Dow up 123 points. Isn't that interesting? And remember, bearable guy 123, right? I'm just saying it as a speculative thing. I'm not saying it as any factual thing. It's a nice coincidence. I do believe in both coincidences and no coincidences. I think reality is big enough for both to exist. There's people who are like, I don't believe in coincidences. And then some people who do. There's enough for both. But it's really interesting to see right there. Dow up 123 points. And we are speculating there's going to probably be a significant retracement sometime soon, because we're still running on the traditional financial system, right? We haven't really transitioned over to the new quantum financial system that a lot of people are probably speculating that we're going to be transitioning over. But how is that going to happen? Is it going to be a slow transition? Seems so, but this might be one of those next steps, is a collapse in a way. Not trying to be, dark or spread fear or anything like that, because you guys know the future is bright. It's an exponential growth, but sometimes birth is a little bit messy. Tax season is underway, and get your crypto tax reports in under 20 minutes. Just checking out Coinly right there. Money transfer agencies market analysis. 2021 is evolving rapidly with economic growth, demand analysis, geographical segmentation, and forthcoming opportunities. Privacy-centric coin Verge suffers massive reorganization attack. Developers says funds are safe. Here's why Bitcoin could be heading to $1 million according to Kraken's Dan Held. That's pretty big praise, especially from a pretty respectable company. I do like seeing XRP's logo though in the center right there of this article. Shout out to Daily Hodl for the subliminal symbolism there. Guys, appreciate everybody. 18 likes already. We're almost at 20 likes to start the stream. You guys are unbelievable, man. Thanks to any new subs to the channel. Thanks to the Blue Crew. We're almost to 2K. We're basically to 2K, and I'm just so thankful for y'all. Thank you. Oh yeah, XDC is still at a great price. XDC, a lot of people think the train's already left, and what about a retracement? You gotta, in my perspective, I'm looking at this like super long term, right? I can't believe Luna is at 655, by the way. This is remarkable, man. Let's go Luna, and let's get back to that $7 range. Supply burn happening for Luna. Guys, also major, I feel like I'm going to cut down on the hydro talk, because maybe this is one that I'm getting a little bit emotionally carried away with, especially with the bull season. So I don't want to be, talking too much about hydro, even though I do like this project very much. But there's a major token burn happening for hydro very soon. They're going from the Ethereum blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain, which is going to probably be positive for them to enable, lower transaction fees, because Ethereum fees are terrible. So you got them migrating over to the Binance Smart Chain. You also got them cutting their token supply from billions to millions. So this is interesting, because then you can get a million if you decide to. I'll never tell you guys what to do ever. This is just my journey. But you can get 1 million hydro, and that token supply is going to cut down to millions as well. So you'll be like already a whale, basically guaranteed, if hydro does end up going even back up to a penny, which is kind of where my target is at. I'm just hoping it can go back to that all-time high of a penny. But that's enough hydro talk today. Much love to the Blue Crew. What's up, everybody? Track looked like it's taking a breather, but I mean, it's still, I think, yeah, what was its all-time high? 52 cents. That's not too bad, man. It's holding pretty good support. It's still going vertical. You got a supply of 500 million there with Origin Trail. And this looks like a real boat as well. There's strong connections with IOTA as well. It looks like Track and IOTA are really taking over that supply chain, or being a really good competitor with B-Chain, in my opinion, for that supply chain area. And of course, very unique form of consensus that IOTA has as well. And remember, man, nobody thought of anything of IOTA when it was around the 25-cent range, and then now it's plus $1. It's holding strong. I mean, people like these red days aren't really affecting the super bullish momentum that's been happening. This could be an amazing year where maybe we get bought out this year, you know? Like, we're just maybe see some prices that are just ridiculous that we would have never thought were even possible, right? Now it's just being smart before when is that retracement going to be happening. Hydration is important. Alchemist, exactly, my man. Forrest Carlinghouse, appreciate you. I'm assuming the sound is good. Thank you. Illich in the house, what's up, man? Digital Gold in the building, what's up, man? Yeah, man. Partying with the Blue Crew. Guys, 25 viewers, 25 likes, so close to 2K. Unbelievable times. You guys have made it such a fun past few weeks on this channel, without a doubt. Unbelievable. So let's get to the first post here. We got right here somebody speculating up until, like, if we were to go to that end August date where you know, the discovery has to be stated about the SEC lawsuit against Ripple in August, right? Somebody drew the line of how it could possibly play out. Maybe we get a short-term bearish trend that takes us down to the 37-cent range, it looks like, 35-cent range. Then we go back up, back down again, and then we go for blast off. I don't think this is really how the chart's going to play out. I think you might see it either go in one way or one direction or the other sooner rather than later. It looks a lot like, whoa, actually, wait, check this out. You guys see this pattern right here? This little hump to bigger hump, and then you got the impulse towards the upside. This looks like this is very similar to what's going on here. Little hump, big hump. Yeah, we can get an impulse towards the upside in a big way sometime soon. Sooner than August, probably. Doesn't mean the SEC lawsuit's going to be settled by then. Oh, stuffing bags every day. Stuffing bags every day, man. Bigger pump incoming. Boris Garlinghouse, exactly, man. I think we can go to $2 trillion cap before a major retracement, maybe back to 1.4 trillion. I mean, that's a lot of money coming out, but I think we're going to be, I think what's going to be a highlight this year is the high volatility of crypto, ups and downs. I think that's what we're going to be seeing, is like the tremendously crazy volatility that it brings, and maybe not so much that, since it is still a speculative market right now, that it's not so much a store of value place, right? It's very high volatility. So yeah, that was an interesting speculative point, but we're hoping that it breaks towards the upside. I mean, there's no reason that it shouldn't, and it would be a great way for XRP to show that it is independent of this, despite what's going on with Ripple. Cobb's channel is the official grass towing channel. Shout out to Alex Cobb, man. Had a good time playing Rust with him. Digital gold, that XTC looks amazing, man. I still think it's a great time to accumulate some XTC, man. I mean, my bags are pretty good. Like, I don't mind holding what I got, but I mean, look at this. It had like a 19% dip earlier. I was like, okay, this is a good time to enter. I don't think the train has stopped, man. You might go to 5 cents. You might go even faster, dude. There's probably going to be some tremendous FOMO that comes into this to XDC, especially since now it's XDC and not XDCE anymore. And just, you know, that supply is really nice. A lot of good things going on. Hybrid blockchain, right? I can't believe Zap's at 33 cents. Biggest opportunity I've missed is Zap. For sure. My gosh, man, look at that sub-penny price in 2020 for Zap. Oh my gosh, dude. Zap holders are going crazy right now. I'm sure some Zap holders have ghosted. 520 million supply. Wow, this is probably just getting started too. In the macro sense. Yeah, that's the one thing I kind of don't know about is why XRP people are specifically feeling they need to sell their XRP into XTC or these other tokens. Why is it so? It shows that people maybe focused a lot of their, like, I'm totally cool with that too, because I think XRP is still a big deal, and for it to be even at this price despite the SEC lawsuit, I think it's tremendous. And once we do get clarity, and who knows, I'm prepared for whatever that clarity ends up becoming. If it is announced as a security, I'm still going to hold it, because maybe in time it becomes not a security again. But I think it's already been enough time, you know, since the FinCEN settlement that was reached. Like, what was that? The FinCEN settlement was like 4 to 5 years ago. I think now XRP has proven to be a virtual currency and a digital asset that's independent from Ripple. And it's going to show. Remember, 95% of the business in our trading in XRP happens outside of the US, and the regulators outside of the US view XRP as a virtual currency. The SEC says they're going to be collaborating with other regulators, international regulators. You know what that means. They're going to be working with the FCA, the MAS. They're going to see, you know, they should already know that XRP is a virtual currency. But, you know, we got to see this song and dance that's playing out, right? Really testing who are the true supporters of XRP and who aren't, right? And I'm not saying that to, like, get people to FOMO into XRP, because it is right now, XRP is the highest risk and highest reward, in my opinion. Highest risk because it could very well be a security and a scam. Highest reward, it could actually be doing what they've been saying they've been doing for the past, what, 7 to 10, or I think it's almost been 10 years. No, not 10 years. What is it, 6 years? Past 6 years now? The Crypto Clan, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. Almost at 30 likes already for the stream. Let's get to our second piece of news. Wall Street opens a record highs after a long weekend. Dow is up 123 points. The moves come after St. Louis Federal Reserve President James played down suggestions that the Fed's loose monetary policy was fueling an asset bubble, either in the stocks or in assets such as Bitcoin, which topped 50,000 for the first time earlier in the day. Everybody's going to be talking about XRP touching 50,000. All the media is going to continue to talk about it. You'll probably see a nice push, maybe up to 60K, really getting investors excited, thinking this is unstoppable. It's going to go to 100K, and then maybe we do get a major retracement from there. But who knows, man? We've never been in this type of area before where institutional adoption is actually happening for digital assets. Uncharted territory. Who knows what the floor is going to be and the peak of this wave is going to be. So you got mining stocks were firm after corporate news overnight included a record special dividend from Australian iron ore specialist and the reinstatement of dividend payments by mining and trading giant Glencore. Despite the emergence of new virus strains across the globe, Southwest Airlines said it earlier expects its crash burn to ease slightly in the next couple of months. So you're just getting record highs in both markets, in the stocks, in the crypto market. S&P 500 looks like it's going to probably touch 4,000, and then there might be a major retracement right there. The charts look very scary for the S&P 500, but it just continues to move on. MV, what's up, man? How you doing? Here's a wrench. With a wrench comes great responsibility, my man. Please use it wisely. Everybody welcome MV to the Blue Crew. Dude, the Blue Crew's getting big. Blue Crew's getting very big. And by the way, I think Bullzilla, or the Bullish fam, Bullzilla's Bullish fam, you know, all are welcome, obviously, and have been to this channel. But I think this collaboration, if we get Blue Crew mixed with Bullish fam, it's unstoppable. You can't stop that. We'll become like our own decentralized communities. Anthony Korn, what's up, man? Here's a wrench. With a wrench comes great responsibility, my dude. Your subscriber, 1999, dude. Anthony, appreciate you guys. I can't believe it. I think we're probably at 2K subscribers right now. We've made it. We're crossing the finish line right here. Anthony Korn, your wrench is gonna pop up, my man. Just give it some time. Sometimes it gets a little bit delayed, but use it wisely. Welcome to the Blue Crew, my man. Oh, Anthony Korn saying, I got sent here from Bullzilla. Dude, yeah. He's been a long time supporter of this channel, going way back. We've been in this space for probably up to 4 to 5 years now. And yeah, he was CKJ back in the day, right? And, you know, great times on his channel, man. So happy to see the growth that he's had on that channel, and just so grateful that he's, you know, even supports this channel. It's awesome, dude, and thanks to the Bullish family. What's up, everybody? We're checking out some charts. BTC may be creeping close to being the first $1 trillion digital asset, first $1 trillion crypto. Oh, XDC is gonna kill it, man. I think XDC is still a great buy right now. UOS is looking very, very good too. I think UOS is gonna get to $1 somewhere down the line throughout this year. UOS, quest for $1. UOS is the new quest for $1 for sure. Digital bits, we added Pancake Swap because, you know, basically now I'm just starting to add cryptos that if like the Blue Crew mentions it, I'm just gonna add it on here. So if you guys want to check it out, I can easily pop it up like right away. And who knows, you know, I start seeing like the, you know, the numbers, or you know, I'll look at this list and kind of start exploring some of these cryptos, and then I go, oh damn, you know, Blue Crew definitely knows what's up. I mean, you guys have blown my mind with like a lot of cryptos, dude. Zap, XDC is one that like, it was like an XRP community thing to look into XDC back in the day. I can't believe it. 3-cent XDC, guys. Holy cow. Digital gold. Yeah, let's just go all buy more XDC. But of course, I'll never tell you guys what to do, man. It's going to be $1 billion in market cap one day. XDC is unbelievable. Still early. Still such good times ahead for that digital asset. We're still so early in the space in general, man. There's so many cryptos that are so fantastic. There's so many projects that are so fantastic. You're having a mass release of just a bunch of public blockchains and this decentralized finance movement. It's going to be very interesting to see how regulators can really adjust to this. Because even like Jay Clayton says, man, hey, we got to either regulate it or it's just going to go past us, you know? It doesn't matter. So that already means like, hey, SEC is saying like we basically got to bend over to to crypto and this rise of this new digital asset class, right? Of course, they're probably going to do something stupid where they really heavily regulate it, which I don't mind because I want to know what are the real boats versus the scam projects that are out there that really don't serve any real utility, but are all about like incentive mechanisms like that are like greater fool theories, right? Like, you know, you only hold as much as what the other person is willing to pay for it, right? The value of your token is only, you know, greater than who wants to pay for it. Like the scarcity thing is what's really alluring to these projects for sure, the scarcity in these coins. But are they really serving, you know, solving real problems and really, you know, benefiting lives and making businesses operate more efficiently, right? Are they really enterprise ready at this point? So it's still a ton of speculation that's going on. Yeah, CKJ Cellmate, I'm with you too, man. I'm glad about that too, dude. Shout out to XDC community, unbelievable. Who knows if we ever see sub penny XDC ever again, for real. It could be like that XRP was, how XRP was at sub a penny in like 2016, going into 2017, and then it's just never seen sub a penny again. That could be the case with what we're witnessing here with XDC. By the way, what does the X, D, and C mean in XDC? Like cross digital currency? Is that what it means? Digital gold, that's awesome, man. Ooh, somebody's got 1400 lumens. I like that, man. XLM is going to be amazing down the line. XLM is definitely long-term, no doubt. XLM is going to be involved with like smart cities and all this stuff, man. It's going to be unbelievable seeing how that the ecosystems that are going to probably just be colossal in the future. Stellar is going to probably be one of them. Solana and Algorand and XRP. It's going to be unbelievable seeing, and Terra, of course, Terra. Man, I wish we had a way to check out Turnio price. Like Live Coin Watch, you got to get on it with giving us Turnio price, because I would definitely like to know what's going on with Turnio. And we know it's a real boat. It's just amazing that it's really like that, just that quiet. And it's the first crypto to be on Visa's fast track program, which is interesting. You would think the speculation would be running wild on Turn. Ooh, man, this is turning out to look like a nice good dip day on some cryptos. Let's see what's going on in the past hour. Who's at the top right here? Gala paid mainframe token at 2 cents. Oh man, mainframe going for 3. Mainframe, dude. All right, so we got just a, you know, little heads up, tax season's coming around. I'm thinking about using this thing called Coinly for my crypto tax reports. It says get your crypto tax reports in under 20 minutes. Coinly calculates your cryptocurrency taxes and helps you reduce them for the next year. Simple and reliable, available in 20 plus countries. Found this link through Uphold. Might give it a try. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, I don't even know if some of you are even going to do taxes for your cryptos or not. But yeah, Coinly looks like it could be something that's pretty helpful for that. We'll just jump to the next piece of news right away. Money transfer agencies market analysis 2021 is evolving rapidly with economic growth, demand analysis, geographical segmentation, and forthcoming opportunities. Global money transfer agencies market research includes historical and forecast data, demand, application details, price trends, and company shares of the leading money transfer agencies, industry by geography, top key players, and look who's listed right here. You got Western Union, TransferWise, Finabler, and MoneyGram, RIA, Zoom. I mean, already Remitly, World Remit, so many of these, Azimo, all of them have connections to Ripple and XRP. And, you know, the market's already telling you, get ready for, you know, more money transfer agencies to continue to get more growth, payment service providers. Because, of course, the more we're isolated, the more we're indoors, the more there's a need for these cross-border type of payments, right? Or these payment service providers. Oh, yeah, CKJ's the man. Ali G, what's up? Ali G in the house. Ali G, you're Sia. I'm keeping my eye on SIA right there, man. SIA looks like it's been consolidating pretty nice around that penny range. Who knows? Maybe we get a 5-cent SIA soon, LEG. Maybe we get a 5-cent SIA soon. That would be unbelievable. It's already unbelievable that it's a sub-billion market cap coin for SIA coin, but you know, I think maybe the turnoff for some people is that it's POW or proof of work, but you know, do like that it has a very unique use case, and it was one of those first to really have that type of unique use case. I think at one point it was like a top 3 mined coin, like next to BTC Ethereum. It would be like BTC Ethereum and SIA coin. XTC taking a little breather around that 3-cent range. When will XRP blow? MV, who knows, man. The thing is, oh, I like Reef. I like Reef. Yeah, Reef is starting to get more word of mouth about it too. So we found out about that through a Blue Crew member. Definitely want to shout. I forgot who told us about Reef, man, but thanks for the shout out on that one. I got it on this list. I guess it's just not one of the top gainers right now. There it is. Okay, so yeah, this looks like it's a pretty decent buy. It was hovering at around 4 cents plus for a good bit. Just recently hit an all-time high. But Reef could be a really nice sleeper for sure. Super, super low cap. Could it be 100+ million, perhaps? I do like that it's, you know, I do like finance coins, right? Ones that are trying to be working with enterprises, right? Using public blockchains. COTI at 12 cents. Dude, I should have taken that top on COTI. Should have taken that top on COTI. Should have trusted the TA. Should have said, yes, we're hitting a struggling resistance zone right here. Like, this is where COTI's chart is at. It just told you how to play it, and I didn't. I should have taken that top at around 15 cents and said, hey, I'm excited with that. This is a really nice deep retracement right here. If we go from the top, oh, I gotta flip this around. Come on. Yeah, it's about a deep retrace, like definitely 78.6 retracement zone. If it doesn't bounce back up from here, it looks like there's a lot of heavy selling pressure actually here for COTI. But if it doesn't bounce back up towards the upside from here, it does have the potential to. I think we're going to be seeing this Elliott wave play out for COTI. And we go all the way back down to possibly 10 cents or 9 cents per COTI. Man, that would have been a nice trade taking the top right there. But anyways, we hold strong with COTI, and we're going to see what the future brings for COTI. But if it starts like lagging at around 9 cents, I'm definitely accumulating there for the next run up. Does look like it's on its way of being parabolic, so this consolidation can actually be a lot shorter than expected. Let's get some bags on here. Guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks, guys, for the likes. Thanks to any new subs. You guys are helping this channel grow. Really means a lot. Thanks so much for your support. Shout out to the Blue Crew.
Organ on my necklace, do it big like in Texas, rim spinning round, reckless money.
Let me know if that's a good sound level. Guys, 32 likes, unbelievable, man. Thank you guys so much. So privacy-centric coin Verge suffers massive reorganization attack. Developers say funds are safe. Pornhub payment option Verge is suffering from a brutal attack that allowed malicious actors to orchestrate what appears to be one of the deepest block reorganizations in blockchain history. Man, that's what happens, man. Verge just made a ton of people, ton of gains, and then now you get this type of stuff that's just probably driving the price down, way down. A blockchain reorganization happens when miners controlling a majority of the hash power collaborate to erase confirmed blocks from the blockchain. In doing so, the attackers can spend funds, erase the transaction, and spend the same funds for a second time. Double spend, right? Man, this is the downside for POW coins right here. Verge is a great example. Wow. And that's the scary thing with these privacy tokens. You don't know. There's no transparency. You have no clue who owns a majority of these coins and what they can do and what their intentions are. Right? Oh man, we're hitting a red streak right now, y'all. Red streak coming in. All of it is red in the past hour. What just happened? Did some news just come out, guys? How's Twitter looking? Oh man, this is looking bloody. Who knows? The end of the week could be really fantastic for us, but right now it's looking bloody. What just came down, man? Abe in the house. What's up, dude? Guys, appreciate the Blue Crew. Auntie Val in the house. How you doing? Dan6, how you doing, Dan6? Good to see you, man. Yeah, XLM and XRP are just copying each other right now, for sure. Digital gold, I mean, we talking about that, where, you know, XRP community is going to be tested, where, you know, if the bulls, you know, the bulls are going to run past it and then make it seem like it's dead. It's like the ultimate mind game coin, man. It really is just going to test to see how, you know, faithful you really are to this investment. I just think they're running out of time. Like, really, they're just going to keep just hoping they can shake out as many hands as possible. If anything, there's more people accumulating these cryptos. I don't know if there's more, like, I'm interested to see how many people, like, stopped accumulating, or, like, what was the percentage that halted accumulating post SEC lawsuit, you know. But I'm sure there's still more wallets than there were in 2017 for XRP. So I don't know what they're, like, you know, when people say, oh, they don't want you to hold, they're trying to shake you out. I don't think they're being successful, personally. They could do a lot more chaotic things to really try to shake us out of XRP. Vince724 in the chat. What's up, man? Good to see you. Yeah, bullish music going on. It's a moon party. We're going to be wrapping it up here very soon, guys. Let's get to our last piece of news. Here's why Bitcoin could be heading to $1 million, according to Kraken's Dan Held. Dan Held, growth lead at crypto exchange Kraken, is outlining the catalyst that he believes could ignite a Bitcoin supercycle and catapult the leading cryptocurrency to $1 million. In a new episode of What Bitcoin Did podcast, Held explains why he believes the current bull market could grow exponentially larger than Bitcoin's boom cycles in 2013 and 2017. When I look at these cycles through, what makes me very excited about this upcoming one, which could be a super cycle, is that this time it's different. we don't like that type of statement, right? In the crypto space. Oh, but this time it's different. The 2013 bull run, the 2017 bull run, it was mainly based on retail-driven speculation. The macro markets, the rest of the world was doing fine. It was a large bull run, and these were mainly speculative cycles run by retail with a very shaky infrastructure. With this bull run, we've got a lot of different things lined up. According to Held's, Bitcoin primary use case as a store value asset was put into the spotlight by the situation we're in amid the rampant money printing of governments across the globe. Major catalyst, governments had their response to the situation being money printing that will devalue the currencies eventually, and folks are looking at the 21 million fixed hard cap of Bitcoin. They are looking at this monetary policy. They are looking at Bitcoin's construction and how decentralized it is. Now you can store value in it, and no one can take that value away from you as this incredible lifeboat. So Bitcoin's demand, or people believing in Bitcoin, that market has grown tremendously to where now we have institutions. We also have a much more vast retail customer segment, so retail buyers can now buy Bitcoin on PayPal, Robinhood, Cash App, They could buy it everywhere, and eventually that's going to reach broker gates, brokerages like Fidelity, like within a retail brokerage, Fidelity or E-Trade and Interactive Brokers. Eventually you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin everywhere, which means Bitcoin can now tap into all demand that wants it. We'll see, but that is very true. I mean, just where it's at now before than where it was in 2017. And for a lot of cryptos use that opportunity in the bear market to really continue building, to let their products speak for themselves, and they continue to grow despite prices not being reflected in their tokens, showing that they're real boats, showing that they really care about making quality products despite the price, and that they can endure price fluctuations, because it's not really the success of their company isn't necessarily dependent on the success of their token, but if they're trying to, you know, bring adoption to their token, you want to provide great products that use that token, right?
Get your bags up in your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my
should have been prepared since September 2019. I hear you, man. RPM BTC equals a little poop. Giving away fiat is not the solution exactly.
It's a bull run. I got my bag stuff. We gon' take the cup.
I mean, fiat is gonna have to change. That's the thing right now. It's basically dying a very terrible death. And whatever the transition it's going to be for fiat's going to have to be pegged to a standard of value. That's the only solution that's going to have to happen for it to even have a chance ever again as to draw people's attention to it, right? Oh yeah, man. Staking plus interest plus alt season, nothing's better, without a doubt. Oh, Elrond, Zinfin, they sound great, man. Elrond, Zinfin, Hydro, XTZ. I'm liking XTZ. I think XTC is definitely cooking big time. XTC has some good potential. I really feel that. Silica, amazing that we can get Silica at this price. Same thing with HBAR. HBAR, man, long-term HBAR, this could be one hell of an opportunity where it's at right now at this price. ICX, you guys know how I feel about ICX. So excited, so happy it's above $1 now, and it's holding very strong at those prices. Having a little bit of a red spell though today. Some of these cryptos are going up though. UOS is looking pretty nice. UOS might be bouncing. And let's see if Luna wants to continue its stride back to $7. Let's get that journey back to $7, Luna. Guys, 36 likes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another DL Talk. That is it for the news today. We're going to be wrapping it up here, but I appreciate you guys. I think we got to 2K subs, and if we didn't, we're really close. And I just want to say shout out to the Blue Crew, guys. Thanks so much for your support to this channel for so long. And it's unbelievable to be here at this point. Thank you guys for making it happen. Looking forward to streaming more and hanging out with the Blue Crew more. And guys, it could be a fantastic year for all of us. It's already been a fantastic start to the year. Sure, there might be some bumps along the way, but man, the future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, Ethereum community, Luna community, UOS community, mainframe token community, Reef community, VET community, ADA community, Quant community, ADA community, Hoka or DOT community, StormX community, COTI community, Hydro community, XLM community, XTC community, Zap community, all the communities out there. Guys, appreciate y'all. Maybe I'll see you tonight, and if I do stream tonight, it will be around 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. PST. Much love, y'all. I think we're at 2K. Unbelievable. Alrighty, guys. Much love. See you guys soon. Adios.
Spreading gift of love, got that XRP list. At naughty Dan, you'll be on my X list.
Merry Christmas. We high on that rich list. Big bag stuck in the chimney. Merry Xmas. I'm talking about Santa Claus bringing in them big gifts. Open up your ledger, see it's filled with them cryptics.
Vince, you're amazing, man. Thank you so much, dude, for that donation. Appreciate your support, my dude. Much love, guys. This Xmas give me Mas X. This Xmas give me Mas X. Ho ho ho. Happy holidays, getting that crypto raise, gonna blast off for days. Giving the gift that keeps on giving, Santa ain't gonna shy away. He's all about the X, and that ain't gonna change. Just see what happens next. His reindeer all ready to play. Rudolph's red nose runs on Ripple, and he's gonna light the way.